previously recorded. Alright, so I'm going to go in with me some garlic powder. And we're going to get the rest of this mixed up again. And some paprika. That's where I'm getting my color from. I just need some color, y'all. I ain't got no color yet. Alright, so let me throw me a little black pepper off up in here too. Alright, y'all, paper plate gang. Hey, paper plate gang. Get a piece of meat. And some potatoes. Like that right there. What's good, y'all? We is on the way to Publix and KFC to go and get us something to eat for this good Saturday. You know, no cooking today for me. And so yeah, I'm on the way to KFC right now. We're gonna go to KFC first and go and get the sides or whatever. That's what I'm going to get now, the sides from KFC. So I'm about to go and get some mashed potatoes. You want some biscuits, babe? Huh? So we're going to get us some mashed potatoes, some coleslaw from KFC. I was thinking to get some biscuits, but I don't know. I'm going to see how much. I think biscuits are a little pricey. I'm going to see. Then I'm going to go to Publix and get this chicken. So come on, y'all, ride with me. I would like to order a large coleslaw.
Alright, I got a large coleslaw. What else?
And a large mashed potato with gravy.
And a large what?
Mashed potato and gravy. Can you put the gravy on the side, please?
Yes, ma'am. Hold on.
Thank you. Do it. Hey y'all, we at Publix. And I ain't think about them extra child. I just threw on me a dress and some flip-flops and came on, child. I ain't think nothing about them extra. You don't think about stuff like that till you get to the store and you start seeing a bunch of folks. But it's alright though. So you get off banana, walnut, sour, vanilla, lemon, raspberry. I thought that was crumb cake. Charles, I was gonna get that. This is vanilla loaf cake with vanilla icing. What they get, Charles? This is Publix, y'all. Alright, we out. Hello. We out, y'all. Just a quick run in and run out. About to go on to the house. Put on a good movie. Eat. And chill. And that's it, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this quick little video. I love y'all. See y'all in the next one. Alright, I'm back home, y'all. And this I got some fried chicken, some mashed potatoes from KFC, and some coleslaw from KFC. Look at these little sides. $5, supposed to be a large. And then the gravy. I got some biscuits. Some rolls from Publix. And look at the chicken. Chicken, y'all. They chicken look different. Yeah, that's the chicken, y'all. Alright, y'all. We gotta eat. And then the rolls.